asuntosykeyhtiö Donnerin aukio.
This is also amazing today on the 19th of January 2025. This is Donnerinkatu 8 stickies B, but there is also 6A and 10C that we should try.
Yeah.
It's also here in Hyvinkää, also modernized Finland. I hope we can get to also the 6A and 10C
Yeah.
as soon as possible. Built in 1966. Already then 6 features and numbers. It's 1, 4, 2, 3, 5 and it's Swedish and Finnish inside. So
Yeah.
tomorrow's another smell here.
Yeah.
6 was.
Yeah.
Beautiful pictures.
Yeah.
I think, but the machine is not original. Or
No. I'm not sure.
it sounds like it's updated. That's nice one. But I don't know. It sounds like.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, let's do it.
Yeah. Respektiivit vaikka vai pitää nyt mennä eteenpäin Kone.
The code was impossible.
Yeah.
What's the next one?
That's